We need to talk about Bitcoin and cryptos. I need to share with you something on the charts that I am seeing. It is looking not so great, but there is some hope for some bullishness. In this video, we're going to be talking about this and much more. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up and stick around to the end of this video. If you guys love daily Bitcoin and crypto TA videos like this, make sure you subscribe with notifications on. So Bitcoin is still holding this support. Bitcoin is still holding this support. As long as we hold support, we are somewhat bullish. If we start losing these levels here, which we are getting relatively close, then more downside is likely. We are seeing rejections across the board. We are seeing Bitcoin losing all types of levels. Momentum is flipping bearish. Bitcoin is now and has now lost the 200 EMA. Like, we are fully confirming this with this daily close in just a couple of minutes here. If this happens, yes, we can bounce up and chop a little bit, but losing the 200 EMA, the last time we lost it here, Bitcoin just from that 200 EMA crashed another 12% from already a big correction. So we could easily see another 12% down from this level. And guess what that is going to put us to? That's going to help us to fill that CME gap at $92,000. So I'm thinking that that level is going to get hit probably before things flip bullish. It would be the most ideal and perfect scenario if we get one more big crash, one more big dump event, fill the 92K CME gap, bottom there, and then we start the next leg up, the last leg of the bull market, and top out in November. I think that is probably going to be the scenario. But again, if you guys watched my video last night, we are targeting this $101,000 region. Is it possible we can rip up and test these highs again? Yes. But I think that these lows are probably going to get tested again. Maybe. But if you look at Ethereum here, which is an indication of the market, it shows us the strength of the market. We can see Ethereum is also holding this support. And you can see today, they tried dumping it, but we have bounced up with this nice, strong, bouncing reversal candle. So Ethereum is finding support. If you take a look at some other coins like XRP, you can see we're forming a higher low. So we are starting to see some buyers step in, but nothing that's going to make me want to go ahead and just buy right away. If the market can hold up here and start developing some support and we start moving up again, it's quite possible that altcoins and Bitcoin are probably going to bounce. But seeing these rejections across the board, every indicator is bearish. One tiny little bounce in an hour does not change anything. Seeing all of these things that I'm mentioning is still very, very bearish. You want to be very, very cautious. When you start losing 200 EMAs on the daily time frame and you are just pretty much bearish on every single indicator, we can easily crash and nuke very quickly without much selling pressure. Books are relatively very thin and things are relatively bearish. So we want to continue to be patient, allow Bitcoin to reveal its next move. What I would really love to see is, again, this level being tested. A dump here, a strong sweep of these lows, building some bullish momentum, kind of holding strong without aggressively selling off. When we start to see this is going to make me want to start buying some altcoins, buying Bitcoin, buying coins, so that we can capture a nice little pump or squeeze and then potentially exit. This is what I'm personally waiting on. We need to continue to be patient and wait for the next clear setup and move. If you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.